how to restore deleted pictures from Facebook. So for example, right here, we have in here our actual Facebook. Now let's head over right here to our photos and let's try to delete the picture. So let's delete this particular picture right here. Let's click on these three dots, click on this delete photo right here and click on this delete option. Alternatively, instead of deleting a photo, you can also just delete a post that has those photos. So for example, this one. Let's click on the three dots right here. Then we'll just click on this move to trash option and let's click on this move. So once you have done that, you should be able to go to your trash in order to retrieve it. So in order to go to your trash, just head over right here to the search option and search in here for trash. Alternatively, you can also just go to your settings in order to see this. And then just click on the search settings, search in here for trash. And then in here, you can see in here all of those things. Alternatively, you can also just delete something and then just go from there. So for example, let's remove this as trash. Then you can see that this will pop up right here. That allows you to go to your trash option and you can see it right here. So here's the one that you have deleted. So let's click on this right here. Then let's click on this restore option in order to restore it to your profile and recover it. So that's how you restore deleted pictures from Facebook. Hope we help.